Okay, in this recording, we're going to look at collecting data. So you're going to start by making a copy of the document that's linked right here. I already have mine up here at the top, and opening the second tab, timeanddate.com. When you make a copy of the document, it would help if you changed the name of the document to the city that you'll be using and your name. That'll just help me if I have a lot of documents open at the same time. I know I can see in my tabs if I'm like trying to help people during class, who I'm helping. So what you're going to do, I will get to why I started with December 21st, 2018 as we move through. But what happens here, so I made this spreadsheet for you. It has all the dates. The numbers over here represent how many days since December 21st, 2018 it's been. So at 90 days, it'll be March 21st, 2019. So the numbers here are automatically generated to tell you the number of days. Then I wrote a formula here, which is tiny, you can kind of see it, that will convert the hours and minutes to just be hours so that we don't have to, just because the decimal point works differently since decimals are out of 100 and minutes are out of 60. So what you'll do, the first time we need is December 21st, 2018. So you'll go to this time and date website. You'll look up your city. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania is my city. You'll scroll down and it will be on the current date. So it's currently showing me February 2021 because that's where we are. But I'm going to go back to December 2018. And now once again, if you scroll down, December 21st, 2018 is this line right here. Let's kind of move in. December 21st. So is this line here. There's lots of information. This is what time the sunrise was, what time the sunset was. We're looking at day length. So it was 9 hours, 20 minutes. That's what we're going to be recording. These are other different types of twilights based on how much sun you can see from where you are. This is what time the sun was at its peak. But all we need for our purposes are this column right here, day length. This is the difference that it was from the day before, but we also don't need that in this project either. So 9 hours, 20 minutes. If I flip back over to my spreadsheet, I type 9:20. And you can see that it calculated. So 20 minutes is 1/3 of an hour. So this spreadsheet did the work and changed it to 9.33333. I think the best way to do this is to split screen and have the spreadsheet on one side and this website on the other. When you need to move on, you can use this guy here, or you can actually, now you'll be going in order. So if you just click January, you'll see it moves it to January 2019, and then you can find the date that you need there.